I'm Monster 1970. Today I'm going to be installing these short choke pull-offs that I got from TJ Customs. Let's get to work. Reason I'm replacing these, replacing the choke lever up here, is because they don't make this cable anymore. I've had a hard time finding one. So I'm going to use these temporarily. Pretty simple. It just screws right in here. Push it in. Screw it in place. 14 millimeter. We'll get it on there. There we go. Yeah, the problem I'm having with the left side is it's hitting the throttle control. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this corner out, and then that should give me enough room. And what I did was I cut the corner off of this. It should give me enough room now. Then I can get it pushed in the whole way. They're down. Yep, that works. Clears. And I can also get this cover on. And that should do it. What I gotta do then is find the screws for this cover, put this cover on, and then should be good to go. Thanks for watching.